Okay, Cancer, let's see. What exciting things are happening to you in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Cancer, let's see. Temperance. This is patience and also healing. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, you are healing from your past. Maaring mas nagfo-focus kayo ngayon sa inyong peace of mind. Oo. So, kung yung iba medyo dati mainitin ang ulo. So, ngayon, you are really trying your best na maging kalmado. At wag ma-stress, no? Wag ma-pressure sa mga nangyayari sa paligid ninyo. You have the Two of Cups. So, some of you maaring papasok sa isang committed relationship. Pwede ring merong magpapahayag ng feelings towards you, romantic feelings towards you. Magsasabi na siya ng kanyang nararamdaman na matagal niya ng pinagpaplanuhan, pinag-iisipan kung paano niya gagawin. Pwede rin namang reversal yung role. Pwedeng kayo to, no? Na magtatapat ng inyong feelings towards someone. There's like an exchange of feelings. So I think this feeling is mutual, no? Pareho nyo nararamdaman. Yan. You have the Sun. This is Leo energy. So maaring you are dealing with a Sagittarius or a Leo, so fire sign. The Sun is about happiness, fulfillment, good things in life. So, this is also about clarity. So, anything na mga gumugulo sa isip mo, in the next 30 days, magiging malinaw na sa'yo kung ano yung pipiliin mo, ano yung gusto mong mangyari. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging very confident, no, sa inyong sarili. And also in the next 30 days, mapupunta sa yung spotlight, no? Yung tipong maraming makakapansin sa'yo, center of attention, center of attraction. Oo. Maari ring meron kang mga i-enhance sa sarili mo. Babaguhin mo ang iyong pananamit, ang iyong style, para mas maging confident ka. You have the Page of Pentacles. So, yung iba, ang surprising things to happen is yung pag-aaral. Yung iba, meron kayong iti-take na course, no? Pwedeng online course or literal, pabalik kayo sa regular school. Or yung iba naman, simpleng pagre-research, panonood ng videos na kung saan makakakuha ka ng mga information about the things na gusto mo pang matutunan, na very much interested ka. Yung iba, related sa business, trabaho, or career, no? Maaring iba, may training sa ibang bansa, sa ibang lugar. You also have the Fool. So, this is taking risk. Taking a leap of faith. Na parang wala ka nang pakialam kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao, ano yung kanilang opinion tungkol sa'yo. Ang importante is, gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. This is a new beginning Something na hindi pa familiar sa'yo. Pero, andun yung eagerness mo na matutunan, malaman. Alam mo yun? Kasi may interest ka Sa example, naging interesado ka sa pagluluto. So, yung iba nag-aral sa regular school ng anong tawag doon? Culinary, ayan. Yung iba naman, sa YouTube, nanonood ng mga videos ng mga chef or cook, 'di ba? To learn. So, para sa inyo, although hindi kayo familiar sa ibang bagay tungkol sa pagluluto, pero dahil interesado kayo doon, you will go for it. Okay? So, yung iba, pwede rin tong out of, impulse, no? Parang pwedeng biglaan. With the Emperor here, this is stability. Stability in your career, your business, leadership role din ito. So, mas nagiging structured yung buhay mo ngayon. Mas planado mo siya. Unlike before, na parang hindi mo alam kung saan papunta, ano yung direction mo na tatahakin. Ngayon, alam mo kung saan ka papunta. Yun yung importante. Kasi, di ba, tayo, kapag hindi natin alam saan pupunta, kung saan-saan na lang tayo nakakarating. Walang specific destination. Although, para sa iba, exciting yun. Di ba? But for some, it's a waste of time dahil parang walang pinatutunguhan. Okay? But for some of you, you know where you want to go. So, maaring meron din kayong leadership role na i-assume in the next 30 days. Can be in your career or in your business. I also see some recognition, no? Pwedeng mare-recognize ka sa trabaho, meron kang award or rewards na matatanggap sa trabaho, sa career mo. You also have Earth sign. So, mas nagiging ano ka ngayon? Realistic, practical, no? Sa mga decisions mo. Hindi yung parang bahala na si Batman. So, you are really grounded. Alam mo kung ano yung good for you, ano yung hindi makakabuti sa'yo. So, yun yung iiwasan mo. Wow, freedom. New perspective. So, meron kang bagong pananaw sa buhay. At I think, yun yung pina-follow mo ngayon eh. Yung bago mong perspective. And that is to be free. To do the things that you want to do. You are also elevating. You are going with the flow. Co-creation, collaboration. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will be working with some people. Maaring meron din kayong aatenan na na isang show or concert. Or maaring ikaw mismo yung part ng show or ng concert na yon. Performance. Oo, there's a performance. You are the light. It is safe to step fully into your light. Yes, you are stepping fully into your light. Hindi ka na nagtatago sa shadow ng ibang tao. Because you know who you are. Alam mo na yung sarili mo. Kilala mo na yung sarili mo. Hindi ka na nahihiya. You are out there. Showing the world the real you. And yan yung part ng taking risk sa'yo. Kasi syempre, hindi mo alam kung matatanggap ka ng iba for who you really are. But, it doesn't matter. No? Wala ka nang pakialam doon kung hindi ka tanggap ng iba. Ang importante, tanggap mo yung sarili mo. Wow. Ascension, no? Awakening to your soul's potential. So, some of you, spiritual awakening. You are realizing who you really are. And you are stepping into your own power. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.